Hi, this is Jake from Deephaven, and today we're going to be going over real-time table operations in Deephaven. Table operations such as aggregations, filters, and joins work natively in Deephaven with real-time data without any special configuration. This is one of Deephaven's main features, the ability to create new tables based off of existing tables, both statically and dynamically. As an example, if we had a table containing a column of numbers, we could compute the average of that column and store it in a new table, and that average would update in real time as more data comes into the source table. Let's dive into Deephaven and show a few examples of this. So here on screen we have data coming in from our Red Panda Docker Stats sample application. This app collects metrics such as CPU and memory utilization of the Docker services running on the machine. Let's work with this data and show some real-time table operations, starting by computing the average of one of these columns. So here we have the average of our CPU percent column computed in a few different ways. As you can see, the values in these tables are updating in real time as more data comes into the source table. This is what we mean by real-time table operations. As a second example, let's apply some filters to our source table and create some new tables based on those filters. And here we have two tables derived from the CPU and memory usage of our Docker services. Let's reverse these tables and show the data coming in real time. Every time a new row is added to the source table that matches one of these filters, that row is applied to the filter table as well. Deephaven's real-time table operations extend beyond the source table, so we could take one of these filter tables and apply some real-time operations to it, and those real-time operations will also update in real time. So let's do that. And here we have the average of our CPU table derived from the source table, and as you can see, that is also updating in real time. This is one of the cool things about this feature. The real-time table operations cascade to all tables that come from the source table, not just those that directly come from it. For one last example, let's create a plot of this data and see how Deephaven handles plots with real-time data. And here we have a plot showing the CPU utilization of our Docker services. Just like our tables, this plot is also updating in real time. And that concludes this demo. Thank you so much for watching, and you can check out our developer documentation to see more of what you can do with Deephaven. Stay tuned for our next video where we are going to show how to do time series joins with Deephaven.